Are you applying for a Canada business visa but worried you might be denied for insufficient ties to Nigeria? You're not alone. This is one of the most common reasons Nigerian professionals and entrepreneurs get rejected, even with strong business invitations. I'm Betty, an immigration consultant at Law and Visas. Whether you're new here or one of our regular viewers, welcome. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to prove strong ties to Nigeria when applying for a Canadian business visa. These are the specific things visa officers look for, but most applicants overlook them. Let's begin. Why do visa officers care about your ties to Nigeria? The main concern is overstay. Even if you have a valid reason to travel, like a business meeting, investment expo, or tech conference, the Canadian immigration officer still wants to see evidence that you return home when your trip ends. Most people focus only on what they plan to do in Canada, but the real question is, what's pulling you back to Nigeria? What are examples of strong ties to Nigeria? Employment or business ownership. If you're employed, get a signed letter from your employer. It should state your job title, how long you've worked there, and the approved leave period for your trip. If you run your own business, include your CAC registration, tax clearance certificates, and proof that the business is active, such as recent invoices, business bank statements, or client contracts. The more recent and official your documents, the better. Family and dependents. Do you have a spouse, children, or elderly parents in Nigeria? Prove it. Submit marriage certificates, birth certificates, school fee receipts, or hospital records that show caregiving responsibilities. This lets the visa officer know people are depending on you back home. Assets and investments. If you own property, include your land documents, property deeds, or rental agreements. Also include long-term financial ties like pension plans, fixed deposits, or stock investments. These show that you are financially rooted in Nigeria and unlikely to walk away from your commitments. Ongoing obligations. Are you currently involved in a local contract, project, or study program? That's a strong tie. You can include a professional contract, an admission letter, or even a pending business deal, anything that shows you're expected to return and follow through. Travel history. If you've traveled before, especially to countries like the UK, US, or Schengen states, and returned without overstaying, that works in your favor. Attach copies of your old visas and stamped pages showing your entries and exits. What are common mistakes to avoid? One big mistake is submitting just one document, like a CAC certificate, without showing proof that your business is active. Another is leaving details to assumption. If it's not on paper, it doesn't exist to the visa officer. Avoid vague statements like, "I will return to Nigeria because my family is there," without providing actual documents to support it. How do you strengthen your visa application? Use your documents to tell a full, believable story. Show that your visit to Canada is connected to your business or career in Nigeria. For example, if I attend this trade fair in Toronto, I can import equipment to improve production at my agro-processing business in Lagos. Make sure everything you submit is real, clear, and consistent, from your business records to your travel plans. Keep your tone confident and professional, not desperate. At Law and Visas, we help Nigerian entrepreneurs and professionals prepare strong, well-documented applications with the goal of reducing rejections due to missing or weak ties. If you want expert help reviewing your Canada business visa application, we're here for you. Follow Law and Visas for clear, trusted immigration advice. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for weekly tips made for Nigerian professionals and global travelers. Thanks for watching.